Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday chaired a meeting of the 37th edition of PRAGATI, the ICT-based multimodal platform for proactive governance and timely implementation involving centre and state governments. In the meeting, 9 agenda items were taken for review, including 8 projects and 1 scheme. During the interaction, the Prime Minister reviewed the scheme of One Nation, One Ration Card. He asked the officials to explore the multiple utilities of the technological platform developed under the scheme to ensure provision of a wide array of benefits to the citizens. Prime Minister also directed the state officials to keep monitoring the construction of oxygen plants and availability of hospital beds. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia has urged the states and union territories to rationalize value-added tax (VAT) on aviation turbine fuel across all airports within the range of 1 to 4%. The price of ATF is a major component of the operating cost of airlines. He has written a letter to 22 states and union territories in this regard. Scindia asked them to take forward the common intention to boost air travel and connectivity in the states with a view to accelerate its economic development. Citing examples of progressive states like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim and Telangana, the minister wrote that they have brought down the VAT to 1% and even below. As a result, they have seen a substantial jump in the number of aircraft movements in their states. India achieved a significant milestone in its ongoing COVID-19 vaccination drive, with the total vaccination coverage crossing the 60 crore mark yesterday. Union Health Ministry has termed it as yet another achievement in its fight against COVID-19. It said the COVID recovery rate in the country stands at 97.67%. Textiles Ministry yesterday said that more than 1,500 artisans have been benefited by training in 63 Samart training centres. The ministry is implementing a Samart scheme for capacity building in textile sector. The objective of the scheme is to provide demand-driven, placement-oriented skilling programs to supplement the efforts of the industry in creating employment in textile and related sectors. The ministry has adopted 65 clusters for overall development of artisans in a time-bound manner by ensuring self-sustainment of the artisans of these clusters. The Eastern Nagaland legislators and Tuda officials yesterday called on Union Minister for Donor, Culture and Tourism G. Kishan Reddy in New Delhi. During the meeting, the delegation apprised both the Union Minister on the special package for Eastern Nagaland. Highlighting on various proposals submitted to the donor ministry, the delegation appealed to the Union Minister to personally intervene and take up the matter in the interest of the development of Eastern Nagaland. Later, the delegation also met Union Minister for Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju at his official residence. As our nation celebrates their 75th year of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we bring to our listeners a special quiz on India's freedom movement and its glorious history, titled India at 75 Quiz with AIR News Kohima. The quiz is being conducted every Thursday in the evening news of Nagamis in English. State DIPR and Kohima Press Club have joined hands as partners. Listeners can participate by sending their response to this email, airnewskohima.india75@gmail.com, along with their names and address. Winners will be announced in the next morning news. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others get vaccinated. We also advise the listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these three simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075, and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.